In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record a phone call here on an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more quick iPhone tips. Let's say you've got an important business call and you want to save it. Here's how you can set it up. Begin by opening up the settings on your iPhone and tap the search bar up at the very top. Type in phone just like so and select it from the results. Scroll down on the section until you see the option for call recording and go ahead and click on it and just tick this box on. Now start or join your phone call, and when you tap on the call to expand the view, there's going to be a little record button in the top left corner. You'll hear a short countdown and an announcement letting both sides know that the call is going to be recorded. You can also see a recording timer up at the top, but to stop recording, just simply tap that stop button. Obviously, I can't show this since I'm currently screen recording on my phone, but it really is as simple as that. When you are done, you're able to view saved call by tapping view saved call at the top to see the recording, and from here you can also save it to your notes for later. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.